DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another mad reaction. Yeah man, gang, you see what I deal with, man. You don't know the done back in the lab with another mad reaction, man. I see what I deal with today with the other artists. You don't know, no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, we're there with the one word boss himself, you know man. We're there with none of Jafrass. You see me the one name, let's be honest. And this one was actually requested by Dan Mafia. Remember, this was requested by Shane Smith. Shane, big up yourself, my G. Appreciate the love and support. And you know the engagement. You see me answer, so big up Shane. Yeah man, so we're there with Jafrass. We check it out and see one word boss I deal with. Yeah man, I don't know. Jafrass is an underrated artist, in my opinion, in dancehall. You see me answer, gang, no joke. But artists, lyrics and videos, they always turn up. The man's style is underrated. You don't get enough credit when deserve. But we now will provide much time. I jump right. Jafrass, let's be honest, let's get it.
Kick out the fire, my nigga Messiah.
Hey, come in. Oh shit. Okay, this so I can get inspiration from the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 song there. You see me?
Group up and hype man, richer than the whole town. Oh, it's a car, there's a Benz, there's a show where you have. Oh, then I have no money and a scam. Bet on the left game and go plant yam. Can't drop beats and a worry about girl.
Oh, no. Jafrass. Wagwan. One word boss.
Let's just be
No kuno mono. Richer than the whole.
Oh, it's a car, there's a Benz, there's a show where you have.
Benz up, be mama, you show no have. I want to no come in.
Then I have no money and a scam. Bet on the left game and go plant yam. Can't drop beats and a worry about girl. Big old broke bang at them, big old broke chopper them. Take with the phone from them, tell them no chop again. Up we can broke again, them girl get fuck again. Big food.
No. This nigga, this shit nasty right here, bro. Yeah man, this shit nasty right here, so come in.
Bet on the left game and go plant
yam. Left game and go plan yam, my youth, and they worry about girl can't own. Hey.
Peace and a worry about girl.
Yeah.
Big old broke bang at them, big old broke chopper them. Take with the phone from them, tell them no chop again.
Big old broke. Big old broke bang at them, big old broke chopper them. Take with the phone and tell them no bang. Hey, no bang again. Come in, man. Come in, man.
Worry about girl.
Yeah.
Big old broke bang at them, big old broke chopper them. Take with the phone from them, tell them no chop again. Up we can broke again, them can get fuck again. Big food go drop again, diamond bust down connect.
Easy.
Bounce at them a check ya. Pull up in a make a see ya does a pussy seller.
You can't bounce then check your man, you pull up in a make and see a does. Easy. Them man a music different in a dog. You see me? Come on.
Go drop again, diamond bust down connect. Girl a bounce at them a check ya. Pull up in a make a see ya does a pussy seller. Tell her be mad if you move a Benz, girl and prefer. Tell her cap if you talk the chatting, watch her.
Tell her move up there, easy. Jafrass, come here, man. Come here.
If you move a Benz, girl and prefer. Tell her cap if you talk the chatting, watch her. Book a bitch, she was nobody. Buy a couple Louis V, turn her in a dolly. She say a man is a police with them gun pan him. Him put a bed in the house and she fuck pan him.
Man, so book a bitch, she was nobody, dog. You see me, boy, a couple things turn her in a dolly to blood tree. Come in, man.
She say a man is a police with them gun pan him. Him put a bed in the house and she fuck pan him. Put the brick on the bed and girl a bounce pan it. Put the milk on your head, the killer do the damage.
Him put a bed in the house and she a fuck pan him. Wicked blood clot girl. Come in, man. Come in, man. This one.
Put the brick on the bed and girl a bounce pan it. Put the milk on your head, the killer do the damage. Put the Benz in the sport, man, I see the traffic. Them not got no money, they ain't got no cash.
Put the Benz in a sport. Me not say not traffic youth, man, you're on the road. I'm here, man.
Put the milk by your head, the killer do the damage. Put the Benz in the sport, man, I see the traffic. Them not got no money, they ain't got no cash. They ain't got no dollars. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. They ain't
I
got
hope you don't get sued by Dej Loaf, my nigga. That's all I'm saying.
no cash. They ain't got no dollars. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Big old broke bang.
Yo, come in. This bad door Jafrass. You see me I say? No joke. Big up yourself.
Big old broke bang of them, big old broke chopper them. Take what them good from them to live no chop again. Up we can broke again, them girl get fuck again. Big food got chop again, diamond bust down pan neck. Girl a bounce like them a check ya. Pull up in the make a see ya does a pussy seller.
Girl, bounce like them check ya youth. I want tear man come in, man.
Girl a bounce like them a check ya. Pull up in the make a see ya does a pussy seller. Tell her be mad if you move a Benz, girl a prefer. Tell her cap if you talk the chatting, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Rifleman walk in a them place. Oh, I run it down, push up now if them brave. Woofing at them face energy about scare. Come in at them girl if a jacket them wear. Me nah have no
You see that Jafrass? Yo, come in, man. Yo, Jafrass! Come in.
Don't push up now if them brave. Woofing at them face energy about scare. Come in at them girl if a jacket them wear. Me nah have no fear, cause Benz me a stare. Girl a sell a pussy now me a play. The girl them know say them a keep for them no shame. No joke. They ain't got no cash. They ain't got no dollars. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. They ain't got no cash. They ain't got no dollars.
Nice, you know, but hey.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. No joke. Big old broke bang of them, big old broke chop them. Take with the phone from them, tell them no chop again. Up we can broke again, them girl get fuck again. Big food got chop again, diamond bust down pan neck.
Easy now, man. Easy, Jafrass.
Girl a bounce like them a check ya. Pull up in the make a see ya does a pussy seller. Tell her be mad if you move a Benz, girl and prefer. Tell her cap if you talk.
I say, tell you be mad if you move a Benz. What?
Be mad if you move a Benz.
Tell them be mad if you Benz, girl and prefer. I move up.
Pussy seller. Tell her be mad if you move a Benz.
Ease yourself, man. Daddy says, nah, nigga, I want to be on my drive you. Ease yourself, Jafrass. Calm down.
Girl and prefer. Tell her cap if you talk the chatting. Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. One jug. One wood.
Easy now, man. Easy now, man. Money out there. Easy. Outside. Money enough. Jafrass. Diamond bust down panic. Easy now, man. One word, boss. Gang, what me know one thing about the one day, as me and said, Jafrass outside, not them out, girl them outside, I got doing thing, man. Yeah, man, that bad. I playlist tune that, me not gonna lie to you. Yeah, man, if you had that to the playlist, man, Jafrass, big up your damn self, my G, I do your thing. I always be, man, this doing anything from day one, though. No cap. Yeah, man, check. If you don't know Jafrass, if you go check out the music, man, you don't see from day one, from up and them thing there. See me, dog, been doing them thing. Video them and quality and flow and everything, and like, the whole image and style when portrayed to him and energy when portrayed to him has been different from day one. So big up Jafrass, keep doing your thing, dog. I don't know. Great potential. My one of the niggas where I see like you should have busted music long time and be one of them OGs. That's why I put Jafrass. Like you should have busted long time and be up there with like Cartel and doing that them. That's how me view Jafrass music. You see me? So big up Jafrass, keep doing your thing, Miss G. You see me? Yeah man gang, if you like it, definitely show that sound up and so love and support me. You know say Jambisco dance. Send me. You already know what time it is. Drop your comments. You see me? Big up Shane Smith for the request. You see me? Drop your comments. You know your favorite part. All that good stuff. Let's drop it up. I appreciate y'all gang for all the engagement, the likes, the watching, the comments. I appreciate y'all. Keep it up. We're growing. The best reaction channel on YouTube now. Guys, you don't know when type in this gang. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.